Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate AWS Cognito for mobile authentication, detailed guide step by step. To begin, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Services drop-down in the top left corner. Search for Cognito and select it from the results. Choose Manage User Pools from the Cognito dashboard. Click on the Create a User Pool button to initiate a new pool. Enter a name for your user pool in the designated field. Proceed by selecting Review Defaults for quick setup options. Review the settings in the default configuration window. Click on Create Pool to finalize the settings. Once the pool is created, you'll land on the Pool's Overview page. In the left menu, select App Clients to create your mobile authentication application. Click on Add an App Client. Enter a name for your app client. Ensure Generate Client Secret is unchecked for mobile apps. Set token expiration settings according to your preferences. Click on Create App Client to proceed. Next, navigate to the App Client Settings tab in the left menu. Enable both Cognito User Pool and Identity Providers under the Enabled Identity Providers section. Configure callback URLs for your mobile application. Define logout URLs to manage sign-out redirects. Select the OAuth 2.0 scopes you wish to enable. Scroll down and click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Now, head to the Domain Name section in the left menu. Enter a unique domain prefix for your app. Once you've chosen a name, click the Save Changes button. Next, integrate the AWS SDK for Cognito into your mobile application. Access your mobile application project and include the necessary dependencies. Initialize the AWS Cognito client with your user pool ID and app client ID. For user registration, create functions that call the sign-up API. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.